Hello everyone, so it's me again guys, I'm here. Your Kalabs Jo, and nandito na naman tayo guys. May update for today's moment guys. Coffee time ba tayo guys? So I hope kayo dyan nakapagkape na ang lahat ba? Ako na naman ang late guys. What's up coffee guys? Just having my coffee. No bread again. For the biscuit na naman ako guys. Puno ang kape ko guys, no? Tamang-tama ang init. Maramdaman mo talaga pagpunta sa baba, sa tiyan. So, mag-coffee na din kayo dyan sa mga hindi pa. Sa mga wala pa, para sabayan tayo. Sabayan niyo ako guys. Let's have drink together. Mainit. Sarap. Thank you so much everyone. I hope you have a nice day and great day morning and great day ahead guys. Diba? You wake up in a good and if you feel good, feel fresh. And you have a good smile. Diba? So don't forget to smile guys. So it can be guys, when you are guys, smiling, you have smiling face always guys. So I think it can help guys to keeps on doing you guys, to keep you looking good, to help you guys looking young, o diba? To lessen our mga guys, mga fine lines, to straighten guys, to keep on smiling. So don't forget to smile guys, even you're alone. So you can try to watch your to face here, like guys, to face on cam your face on camera or in a mirror, di ba? You can smile. We are free to smile in every time, even we are alone. O, di ba? Ganun guys ang ang mindset natin guys, para hindi tayo madali magtanda. Oh. We're not getting fast in looking old. Yes. So yun lang guys ang update natin. Thank you so much. See you next again.